Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be talking about JavaScript guarding or guard. And what is JavaScript guarding? Well, to demonstrate or to explain to you what is JavaScript guarding, I'd like to first take you through an example. So in here we have a function that's called bake bread, which receives an ingredient object, and it loops through it and it prints out the values of each key in that object. So in here, as you can see, we have true, true, false, which is what we passed here, true, true, false. Okay. Now, what happens if we accidentally change this to, let's say, null? Okay. Obviously, you'd say the value, it will not, like, obviously when we're using a for loop, it's not going to do much here because it's a null. But what if we had something else? Let's say we were copying that object here, or we were doing something with it, then that will cause a lot of problems for us. Okay, it will actually, in most cases, the program might crash. So we need to protect ourselves against values that we don't want. Okay, so to do that, it is very, very simple. So I'm going to bring this back to here just for a second. And to do that, I want to only go through this example or run this for loop only if the value is not null or undefined, let's say. So if ingredient is not equals to null, and just do the double equals, let me say and ingredient is not equals to undefined, and so on. Basically, that's all. This is all we need for guarding, really. It's just to add an if or a condition to only carry out our code with our code if something is not, if the values or variables or the type of parameter passed matches what we want. So only if this is not null, okay, and if it's not undefined, then carry out with this. Obviously it's an object, so I would put in more condition to say if it's not a string, or if it's not a number. But an easier way to do this, we could just say only do this if ingredient, or if we'll say maybe something like type of ingredient is equals to an object, and that'll be easier. And now, okay, if we were to put maybe a console log to see if our thing works. So right now it works fine, okay, but let's try with true maybe. As you can see, guys, there is no printout or anything like that, and that's because we protected our code from running until an object is passed. Okay, so this is in a nutshell, and what guarding is to protect our functions, our code from running if certain parameters or values other than what we expect is passed. And that's everything for today, guys. I wanted to make it short and straight to the point. Hope you like this video, and I'll come back to you with another video very soon. Thank you very much.